Are you encountering the frustrating "this page is not available" error on Facebook? In this detailed video guide, I'll walk you through several methods to resolve this issue step by step. Firstly, navigate to your device's Settings app and ensure your Wi-Fi connection is stable. If using cellular data, toggle it off for 5 seconds, then back on. Check if the issue persists. If the problem persists, proceed to the second method. Within your device settings, locate the general options, then tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Re-enter your passcode if prompted. Verify if the error is resolved. For a more thorough approach, try the third method. Power off your device through the Settings menu, then restart it. After rebooting, check if Facebook loads without the error. Should the issue persist, attempt the fourth method. Open the Play Store, search for the Facebook app, and update it if necessary. After updating, return to the home screen and verify if the error persists. If the error persists, try the fifth method. Within Settings, navigate to iPhone Storage, locate the Facebook app, and select Offload App. Once completed, reopen Facebook to see if the error is resolved. If none of these methods solve the issue, don't worry. Feel free to leave a comment detailing your problem, whether it's related to Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp, and I'll do my best to assist you. Your feedback is valuable. If any of these methods successfully resolved your issue, or if you encountered any challenges, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you in future videos.